this part, left hand side part. So this is called as constant, but we generally call it as right hand the part it is. Here our intention is to find out the value of the variable x it is. So therefore solution for this, rewrite once again the given equation. 3x plus 9 is equal to 33. Am I right? So therefore it is a binomial. So as you know that the binomial concept is an equation having the two algebraic term with the positive or negative sign. Here, so the 3x plus 9, so it is a binomial, it is having the positive sign, hence we consider LHS part it is binomial. So therefore right part is constant. So therefore, so 3x is equal to 33 minus 9. So as and when if you are shifting the left hand side term to the right hand term to left hand term, so in this case the sign of the relevant sign, here 9 is consisting the plus sign, here 33 consisting the also plus sign. So therefore in this case, so the sign going to be changes, plus become a minus, minus become a plus it is, or in other words positive sign become a negative sign or negative sign become a positive sign. Hence, so therefore 3x is equal to 33 minus 9. So 33 minus 9 it is how much it is? 24. Remaining it is 24. So therefore x is equal to 24. So the by 3 it means cross multiplication. In the case of the monomial, cross multiplication takes place. In the case of the binomial, transposition skill it is. So shifting with the changing of the related or respective sign it is. Here the monomial 3x is the monomial. So therefore x is equal to 24 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 8s are. Therefore the value of the x it is 8. Value of the x it is 8. So therefore, so from this the value we can come to the conclusion, when the x value 8, if it is put in the given equation 3x plus 9, so then if the LHS side become an 33, therefore the LHS is equal to RHS. This is a verification. So therefore in this way we are going to be find out the value of x. So the another example, if we are consider, so 3x plus 2 into x plus 5 is equal to 40. Yes, dear students, let us observe in this given equation. Here one binomial, here one monomial is there. Here product of constant into binomial term is there in the LHS side. In the RHS side, constant term, that is 40. So now here also our intention is to find out the value of the x, value of the unknown variable x it is. So therefore before going to find out, we are going to generalize the term each and every time going to be generalized. Afterwards we can easily find out the value of the x it is. So let us see. So the solution, so the rewrite the given equation. You have to, this is one of the discipline to write once again please. So therefore, so 3x plus 2 into x plus 5 is equal to 40. Here 3x plus, so in this term we have going to be generalized it is or simplified. 2 into constant, product of constant into binomial, hence 2 into x plus into plus is, yes, 2 into plus is plus, it is 2 into x is 2x, plus into plus is plus, 2 5s are 10 is equal to 40. Here, so before going to the multiplication of variable or constant, first step is we have to multiply the relative or relevant sign. Second one is you have to multiply constant terms. Third step is you have to multiply the relevant variables. So hence the plus 2, if it is multiplied to the 2x plus 5, therefore it will become 2x plus 10 it is equal to RHS side 40. Here 3x plus 2x, so we are called it as like term. So the basic concept it is 3x plus 2x is we call it as like term. See, know that you are in the previous classes, I think it is. So the like term, definition of the like term is an algebraic equation having the same variable with same exponent. They are called as like term. Once again I repeat. So the like term can be defined as the algebraic terms, an algebraic terms having the same variable with the same exponent, then we call it as like terms. So therefore in the case of the like terms, we can easily add them. Depend upon their positive or negative sign, we are going to be simplified. So here both are the addition sign, both are positive sign. In this case we have to add the given algebraic term. Here 3x plus 2x. Here x is a common factor. 3 plus 2 is 5. It is very simple thing. So therefore it is 5x plus 10 is equal to 40. So therefore 5x, once again it is become a binomial. So the 5x is equal to 40 plus 10. If it is shifting towards the RHS side, so then it is become a minus 10. So therefore 5x is equal to, here it is a positive integer, it is a negative integer. So when the positive integer, if it is subtracted by the negative integer, then positive integer here, because of the positive integer is greater. So so the 40 minus 10, it will become 30 it is. So once again it is a monomial term. So x is equal to 30 by 5, 5 1s are 5 6 are, therefore the value of the variable x it is become 6 it is. See, it means that we call it as equation 1 if we consider. So when our verification is LHS, value of the LHS, all these terms should be equal to the LHS equal to the RHS. Hence, if you put the value of the x, if it is an 6, so therefore after the simplification, LHS term or value of the LHS is equal to value of RHS. So this is in this way we are going to find out the value of unknown variables. Yes, if you have any doubt regarding these kind of the steps it is, so therefore, so you can come and ask it. Yes, now I would like to give the homework on. So this concept it is, one is 3x plus 7 divided by 5x minus 4 is equal to 13 by 6. Any doubts my handwriting? Yes, second the problem is x plus 11 is equal to 5x minus 25. So these are the two problems, you have to solve it. So then I will continue the next classes.